YouTube Shorts versus Instagram Reels. Which one should you use? If you're watching this video, you're probably a creator trying to figure out where to dedicate your time and your content, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. More importantly, which one should you use to grow an audience? Salutations everybody, Benjamin Brandon here. Welcome back to the channel. I am back on the channel with a new series all about YouTube's latest feature, Shorts. So if you're new to the channel, I would totally consider subscribing so you don't miss any new future videos all about Shorts. So let's start by comparing YouTube Shorts algorithm versus the Instagram Reels algorithm. As of May, YouTube reports that Shorts has gained more than 3.5 billion views a day worldwide. Damn. And this number was reported before the beta release here in the United States, so that's crazy. That number is only going to go up. And that clearly means short form content on YouTube is in high demand. Instagram is stingy with their data, so we don't have numbers as far as what they've done within the year of their existence. But being that YouTube is the #1 video platform in the world, chances are Reels is probably not getting close to the 3.5 billion views a day. Now, I've posted a ton of Reels on Instagram, which is why I know so much about it, so I've been able to figure out the Instagram Reels algorithm. Here's a quick breakdown. When you upload a reel, that video gets pushed to what I call audience groups, and there are several. The first audience group is mainly your most engaged followers, which is roughly about 15 to 25% of your overall following, and that number on Reels is a lot higher than it is on feed posts. Feed posts average about 5 to 8% of your total audience. Pro tip. Audience group #1 also sprinkles in a bunch of new people who will stumble upon your video from multiple places. The original audio library, hashtags, people sharing it, the list goes on. If your video performs well in audience group #1, where you're getting a lot of likes, shares, and more importantly, video views and multiple video views, meaning people watch your video multiple times, then your reel will get pushed into audience group #2. Which consists of even more of your followers, plus a lot more new people who don't know who you are yet. The way this occurs is mainly through the Explore page and the Reels player. So if your video performs well and goes into audience group #2, your reel will get featured on the Explore page for a certain amount of time. Now, most videos typically fizzle out within audience group #2. My videos typically die within audience group #2. But let's say your reel doesn't, and it continues performing at a fast velocity, more likes, more views, all that. Then it will get sent into audience group #3, which is what I call the viral group. And audience group #3 is where your video just takes off into outer space. Like, this is where you get over 6-figure views and likes, potentially hitting that million mark on each. And this happens because your reel lives on the Explore page for days. And your video is also continuously shown within the Reels feed itself to thousands and thousands of people who don't know who you are. P.S. This segment is only a very short breakdown of the Reels algorithm. If you do want a full-length tutorial on the Reels algorithm, hit that like button and let me know in the comments and I'll get on that video. As for the YouTube Shorts algorithm, it is different than the Reels algorithm, it looks like, and it's also different than the original YouTube algorithm. According to the numbers, the Shorts algorithm is a lot more powerful than the YouTube algorithm, which I personally haven't seen, but a lot of other creators are saying this. The reason why your YouTube Shorts benefits from the original algorithm is because your video can be displayed within the browse feature, YouTube search, and the subscription feed as well. Your short can benefit from all of these by applying the regular YouTube best practices, such as a custom thumbnail, because doing that makes your YouTube short look like a regular YouTube video. Like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts has several places to push out your videos. The Shorts shelf, the Shorts player, and right on your YouTube channel. The Shorts shelf is equivalent to the Instagram Explore page, except it's designed like the Instagram Stories carousel. And the Shorts shelf is usually one of the first things you see when you open the YouTube app on your phone. When you swipe right, not only are you telling YouTube Shorts that you find it attractive, get it? Yeah, joke. But it shows you the current shorts that are trending. But with this, the chances of your video getting mixed in with all of these viral trending videos on the Shorts shelf is actually really high. Look, it's me. See what I'm saying? That is awesome. I literally just uploaded that video. Now, where the Shorts shelf gets really powerful is when your video is able to pull someone into the Shorts player. The Shorts player is going to be the place where the majority of us are going to get views. Now, commenting again on the power of the Shorts algorithm, as you start consuming Shorts and the viral content that's displaying first, videos from smaller creators that aren't viral are sprinkled in, as you can see. Pretty quickly, actually. What was that, 2, 3, 4 swipes before I saw a video from a smaller creator? That is insane. Now take this versus Instagram Reels. You have to consume a lot of videos for a while before you're even able to see a reel from a smaller creator that you don't follow. Versus a Shorts player, I only had to watch about 3 to 4 videos before I saw a video from a smaller creator, in which I'm not subscribed to, by the way. Boo boo, I don't think you understand the gravity of this statement. From a consumer's perspective, when you open Shorts within the Shorts tab, oh yeah, YouTube has dedicated an entire tab on the bottom of the YouTube app. The Shorts tab takes you into the Shorts player, in which you typically see videos from creators you've subscribed to first, but what's more powerful is you will see even more shorts from creators you are not subscribed to. Flip the coin on that for a sec. If I'm seeing more videos from people I'm personally not subscribed to, does that mean when I upload my own shorts, they will also be shown to people who aren't subscribed to me? Yes. So what does this mean? At this point in time, YouTube Shorts is a level playing field platform. No matter the size of your channel, you can get views with YouTube Shorts. From my own testing, I've seen my average view duration exceed over 100. Now that has the potential to be really powerful. That's crazy, like bananas and pajamas crazy. But how is that possible? Just like any short form content, users can be more inclined to watch your video multiple times. It's very rare for someone to watch a YouTube video multiple times unless it's like an instructional video, or my wife does yoga, is doing her little yogas and stuff, and you know what I mean? But not everyone does that. Unless you do yoga, you know, do you boo boo. Now let's say this video keeps up that momentum. The chances of the Shorts algorithm pushing this video is very high. That's the trick though. Your shorts need to perform to get sent to more people. I would actually compare YouTube Shorts algorithm versus TikTok when it comes to organic reach. At this point, we have all heard that random people have gone viral on TikTok, and I really do think the same thing is going to happen with YouTube Shorts. Now, going viral and having major success on YouTube Shorts is really dependent on your content. I'm personally still trying to break through the viral scope on YouTube Shorts myself. I've personally been posting a ton of shorts lately for testing purposes, as you may have noticed if you are following my channel closely. At the moment, I've only been reposting Instagram Reels, so that's probably why my shorts haven't performed as well as some others. YouTube Shorts in general is in high demand right now, mainly because the supply is low. It's still really new. As what we learned in comparison to Reels, your video needs to get promoted to a higher level audience group to see great results. And with my extensive testing and comparing these algorithms right now, it appears that Instagram Reels is a little bit harder to grow an audience versus using YouTube Shorts. The one thing I have noticed with uploading about 15 to 20 shorts is my subscriber base continued to increase, even without uploading a regular YouTube video like this one for over a month. Obviously, older videos are going to help that as well, but shorts did help with that because YouTube Shorts shows your videos to a lot of new people who aren't subscribed to you yet, along with showing it to your current subscribers at the same time. Your video also has a high chance to get featured on the short shelf to your current subscribers. Versus Instagram Reels, Instagram barely gives you a shot on the Explore page, even jumping into audience group number 2. Which begs the burning question, YouTube Shorts versus Instagram Reels, which one should you use? What I've been doing and what I advise you to do is post on both platforms simultaneously and find out for yourself which one works best for you to grow an audience. If you're a new creator, you have all the advantage because you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So if you haven't posted on Shorts yet, you need to post in Shorts, especially before more and more people do and a saturation begins and YouTube Shorts becomes, well, YouTube. Next week's video will show you how to create YouTube Shorts on your phone. After watching that video, you'll know everything there is to know about uploading YouTube Shorts on your phone. And I promise you the other videos on this topic are not showing you half of what you'll learn next week. So be sure to crush that subscribe button so you don't miss that one. Slap that like button if this video helped you out because it really helps me out. And don't forget to follow me on the gram at AccessBenjamin, and my beautiful vert friends will see you on the next one. I'm out.